guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm just reminding you guys to sunbathe because today I think, well, for me, it's the scorching heat weather. And if you want the sunburn blush and the sunburn skin, you will need to just um have a sand bath here. It is near the portal to the right if you look at it from this way. Basically, I'm just going to press on this button and 10 until this is over. But yeah, that is it for this video. Don't forget to do it when it is scorching, like in the scorching heat weather. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.